The dispute originated in 2019 when SMC decided to block the sale of Mount's Pure water at official carnival events due to an exclusive sponsorship agreement with Glenelg Spring Water. Rolanda McQueen, CEO of Mount's Pure, challenged this decision, arguing that the process for securing sponsorship rights was unfair and discriminatory, as her company and others were not given a fair opportunity to bid. In his 1 hour and 45-minute judgment, Justice Glasgow ruled that SMC, as a public body, had a duty to establish a clear and publicized process for securing sponsorship. He found that SMC acted unfairly and contrary to established legal principles by failing to do so. However, he did not find that SMC breached the provisions of the Public Procurement Act, holding that the Act did not apply in this case. McQueen called a press conference on Thursday to report on this development, stating, and I quote, "This was never about Mount Pure, but about fairness, about what is right." End quote. She was represented in the matter by attorney Ruggles Ferguson, KC.
The essence of the ruling is that SpiceMass Corporation, as a public body, ought to have had a system in place to invite people or entities who wish to be part of the sponsorship or to get their products sold. They should have specific rules that govern that procedure. Apparently, what happened is that you had a particular sponsor, water sponsor, over the years, but there was no invitation to other water sponsors with clear rules and guidelines as to how they could make such an application if they were interested.
He emphasized the broader implications of the ruling.
It's an important ruling, because it goes not just to SpiceMass Corporation, which is a public body, but all public bodies. Because once you are a public body, then you have a duty to act fairly. And even though there may not be written rules contained in the legislation that govern your operations, but as a public body, you need to establish those rules. So basically, competitors would have an equal opportunity to be part of the competition. And whoever emerges, then you can have a situation which says, listen, if you are the main sponsor, then other products would not be sold at particular events.
Justice Glasgow's decision highlights the necessity for public bodies to adhere to transparent and fair practices, ensuring equal opportunities for all parties involved in sponsorship bids. This ruling could pave the way for more equitable processes in the future, reinforcing the principles of fairness and justice in public sector dealings. For GBN News, I'm Nisha Paul.